Hey there everybody. Time to attempt our CM Burns slant drilling operation. It's got to be in here somewhere. Uh-huh. Well, we can pull that back some. Well, the earth has stolen my bit. Now I gotta clean the mud out of the socket. I'll try to bore the hole out a bit with a crappy spade bit. Now there's power to the fountain and the mystery light out there. After we dig a trench and another trench. And there's that wrapped up. Just gotta get a metal shield for the wire there. The fountain and light wire for outside pulled into this receptacle box, which has a 3-conductor going up to the switch box there for the control. Now let's finish up this awkward piece over here. And we finally did this little rectangle. And Ed made these, but we can't glue those in until we're done with the utilities here. Alright, there's some new wires and a trench to the mystery device. Just need one more trench to the fountain. But all in all, a pretty good afternoon. So remember, if you'd like to help us with this project, you can make a donation at fullerdomehome.com, which will be in the video description. And if you'd like to keep following this project, you can subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to be notified when a new video goes up. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.